Hi everyone, just a little walkthrough of a folio, mini folio, and this is done with Once Upon a Springtime papers from Graphic 45. This is the album layout that you're going, page layout that you're going to see in the assembly one using steampunk spells. Okay, so this is how it goes. So you open your folio, you have a page here that opens out, you've got your photo mats there. This one opens out, and then you've got a page that lifts up, and you can tuck things into here. So this is quite a simple layout, but it's got the 1/8 of an inch, and it's also got the 1/4 of an inch hinges there, and then you've got more opening out there and there. And then on this side, got the same thing using our deboss page tabs and our little album text stamps. You've got a little pocket here, and then this one opens out that way. Again, you've got your photo mats, it lifts up and opens that way. Got your photo mats there, so we'll just close that, flip it over, and then here you've got the pocket, little magnetic closure which you don't actually need, but I think I just put it there for decoration. And then this page lifts up and pulls out to the side like this, and you can see here you've got an 1/8 of an inch dimensional pocket as well, and then it opens out that way as well, so there's quite a lot of storage there for your photos.